Hello and welcome. In this video, I am sharing with you my 5 favorite types of meditations. There are several types of meditations. I usually prefer to meditate in the morning and, depending on how I feel, what is my mood, or what is my intent, I will pick one of these 5 types of meditations. Type number 1, focused attention. This meditation type is very good for beginners. In this type of meditation, all you have to do is to systematically focus your attention on your breath. Pay attention to how you're breathing, and whenever you start noticing your mind wandering, simply focus back to your breath. No need to breathe in a certain way or to force your breathing. Breathe normally and naturally. The most important is to always focus back on your breath when you notice your mind thinking. Type number 2, body scan. This meditation consists in performing a mental body scan. In this meditation technique, the goal is to focus our attention on our whole body in a sequence from the top of the head to the end of the toes. This technique is designed to synchronize the body and the mind and to bring our attention to any discomfort, sensation, tension, or aches that exist. Type number 3, visualization. This meditation type is meant to help you picture a scene in your mind. Contrary to the 2 previous meditation types, where we are focusing on the breath or the body, in this meditation, we are focusing on a mental image. The images in such meditation provoke emotions and feelings that helps us overcoming a very difficult situation or increasing calm, peace, and happiness in our mind. Type number 4, loving kindness. This is my favorite type of meditation, consisting on directing positive energy and feelings to people. It is a visualization technique where we focus on people while at the same time we intentionally feel love or gratitude or any other very positive emotion towards them. The benefit as a side effect is that the more we give others these positive feelings, the more we feel positive ourselves. Type number 5, focus on nothing. This meditation type is very effective, but also probably one of the most advanced meditation technique. So I would not recommend this one for beginners. With this technique, you rest your mind and awareness by eliminating all thoughts and feelings and focusing on nothing. It is truly about being in the present moment where nothing should distract us. I hope you enjoyed learning about these 5 meditation types. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe. It will help others get access to this content. Thank you.